everyone, welcome back to my channel. I think it will be very interesting from now on because I'm going to take inspiration from my wardrobe. So whatever design I can find in my clothes or a scarf or a blanket or whatnot, I will be recreating that as a nail art. So I hope you find this series helpful, and today is the first video, so let's get started. So for this nail art I chose a light blue color. This is from Sally Hansen. It's called Hard Bitten, and I'm going to paint my nails with this. Now that the base is ready, I'm going to take this striping tape, which you can find in many colors and many texture, but it doesn't matter. All you need is a striping tape, and I'm going to just randomly place it on my nails just like this, so that it creates a geometric pattern. So that is ready. Now I'm going to take different shades of blue. I have assorted nail polishes, and then I'm just going to paint the section with the different colors. And you can create the same design with a different set of colors, like you can choose pinks or greens or yellows, orange, red, whatever you like. But since my theme is to match an outfit or a piece of outfit, I have recreated this. I have matched exact same colors. So I'm done filling up the colors, and when they are dry, just remove the striping tape and our design is ready. Now I'm going to apply the top coat and we are all done. You can do for accent nails or you can do for all nail set, and this is how it looks. So I have matched this scarf that I had, and it came exactly just like the scarf. So how you like this a new series of videos, please let me know in the comments, and I'll see you guys next time with another outfit and a matching nail art. Till then, bye bye.